Open your App Store or Google Play and search for 3M connected equipment. Download and install the app. Then press Open. A page appears showing the terms of service and license for connected equipment software. You can choose different language versions of this document from the language drop-down. Read through the document and press Agree to continue with the installation. To add your 3M Peltor WS Alert X headset, click on Hearing Protection and select 3M Peltor WS Alert X. Power on your headset by holding down the power key. You will hear your headset say,
Power on,
followed by,
Bluetooth pairing on.
Allow the app to access your location. The app starts searching for your equipment and connects with your headset. You will hear your headset say,
Pairing complete, connected.
Click Next. The equipment name is WS Alert X by default. You can change it at a later point. Enter your email address and company name. Set the battery type appropriately. There's a switch for the hygiene kit reminder as well. Click on Continue to save your settings. If Bluetooth pairing on continues to be repeated in your headset, open the Bluetooth settings in your phone and pair the headset manually. When connected, click on your device. This will bring you to the sound menu. From the General tab, switch on Push to Listen to instantly mute all connected Bluetooth audio devices and to activate the level-dependent microphones. You can turn bass boost on and off. The ambient or environmental microphones help promote auditory situational awareness. You can switch ambient sound off or on. When on, you can adjust the balance, volume, and select from a set of different equalizer presets. Adjust your audible feedback on the headset. At the bottom, click on the Settings tab. If needed, you can change the equipment name. Click on Edit, change the name to your flavor, and click Save to store the new name. If for any reason you want to reset your headset to the factory default, you can do this from the app. Click on Reset to execute the command. Your headset will disconnect and power off. To remove your headset from the app, click on Forget Device. This will unpair your headset and needs to be manually paired to reconnect. When finished, click to return to the main screen. When connected, click on your device. This will bring you to the sound menu. At the bottom, click on the Support tab to find further information about your headset. The Manual section provides additional documents, videos, and information. Check out the FAQs to find further useful information and get help if you're running into any issues. Enjoy your 3M Peltor headset and stay protected.